Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you get one of the low costs and see what other goodies they have to offer. I already took a peek because I thought it was something else, but it is coming from Sensei. So definitely check these guys out and add it to your wish list or your shopping cart, and you still got time. I do believe you have this shipped before Christmas. So this is SGLEDs Sensei. Here we go. Take a look inside. There we go. That one. Take care of that. Bada boom. Oh, these are the nice ones. Oh yes, definitely excited to show you guys this one. Now I know you guys, I don't know if you guys watch wrestling, but they got these on the ramps, like the entrance ramps, but bigger. These are really cool LED foot lamps. Got the back here. You gotta slide it down like this. And have it standing against your house, backyard, front yard. I do believe it is waterproof, but these are really cool. Definitely excited to show you guys these. But if you watch like wrestling, they'll see it on the entrance ramp down, walking to the ring. You'll see like the bigger ones. These are like that. Whoa. Holy moly. Look at this. This is crazy. Got the remote. This must be a mounting bracket type. We'll figure that out. But this is, I'm really excited to show you guys this. Alright. I know it's waterproof because it's outdoor LED. Oh, now let me get to the back. RGB. Remote. Doesn't say what. Yeah, my neighbors are definitely going to be happy with this one. So, time to wake them up. Now it's nighttime. I could definitely show you guys how these look outside too. During the daytime, it's kind of hard to see this unless you're in the basement. But these are for the outdoors. They got different sizes, different kinds. Mounting method. Yeah, see, I show you right here. Here's a little mounting bracket, goes right there at the bottom, and then you mount it somewhere. But I probably just gonna have it like that with the stand kicked, kind of like that. Not sure if I'll have it in the backyard or the front yet. But a lot of cool functions on this remote. You could do strobe, flash, smooth, fade. I might actually use this all night tonight. I don't think there's like a violation we could have. Just trying to find waterproof. I don't know if it's IP something. That's interesting. Maybe it's on the box. No. RGB. No. Alright, well, let's get into it and test this thing out. So thank you guys at Sensei. I'm going to need batteries, so make sure you got some batteries handy for the remote. It's really cool. Look at that. Could pimp out your house. But gotta find two AAAs. Got two AAAs here, ready to rock and roll. Sure, down the right way. Bada boom. Bada bing. Boom, boom, boom. Like I said, we'll try it indoor and then definitely go outside. But this is definitely for outdoor use. But I just want to show you guys what it looks like. Get this thing untangled. Oh, baby. Here we go. Twist these zip ties off. There we go. And inside, got the cord. I had to take away Alexa for right now. Cancel Alexa. Whoa. Holy smokes. These things are bright. Oops. I'm gonna shut the lights off. Dang. That is crazy bright. Oh. Oh, yeah, these are bright. Alright, here we go. That's orange. That's cool. Coral. Whoa. This is gold. Yeah, I can see the gold. I can see it. Purple. Green. Or yellow. Orchard. Whoa. This is navy. I like this. Yeah, buddy. My neighbor's like, what's going on out there? Indigo. Lime. Aqua. Man, look how clear that looks, though. Cyan. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to do white. Strobe. Whoa. See, that's what they use in for their entrances. Flash. Holy smokes. Probably need like 2 of them or 1 big one to cover a house. You can do like, I'll show you where I'm going to put it. That's crazy. Fade. Fade to black. Oh yeah. This is cool. It's called smooth. M3. I'm not sure what that means, but whoa. Oh, memory 3. I think. M4. This is so cool. M1. M2. We have white. There's R red. Green. For G. Blue. I think these are like, turn it down a little. Brightness. That's white. I like the smooth. Okay, I'm gonna have to get my jacket on. It is cold outside. This is so cool. Switch it to green. If I can remember where it is. Green. Smooth. Here we go. There's white. Yeah, so you could turn it down, turn it up. Whoa. This would be cool for like haunted houses too. If you do your own haunted houses for Halloween, outdoor parties at the beach, orchard. There you go. I mean, this is a indoor demo, but like I said, this is only for outdoor use only. And we're going outside. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are. We're outside. Got it plugged in. So really cool outdoor floodlight. See, we got the navy. Sucker's pretty bright though. For look at that. Just for one. That's really bright. We got this. I just hope I don't annoy my neighbors. Here we go. Like I said, you could turn it down too. Like that. You don't have to have it super bright. You can turn it back up. Just for the video though. Can't see it. Here we go. Smooth. Have it like that. That is cool. There's the strobe. There's that one. That one's called Fade. Got that. And 1, 2. Here we go. To orange. So many different colors to choose from, but really cool. You can turn it down, like I said. If you don't want to annoy your neighbors too bad, you just tweak it and turn it up. Cool flood lamps. Definitely check these guys out. Sensei on Amazon. To match the holiday with the green, the purple. I like the green. There we go. Really cool. Like I said, waterproof flood lamp. Definitely check them out. Sensei on Amazon. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.